What's up, guys? Welcome back to the dojo. Today I'm doing my unboxing for the S10 Plus. I just tried to record this, funny story, just tried to record this and I forgot to turn my mic on. So, I have pulled it out of the box, but it's okay. We'll just go through everything again. So, I had the S9 Plus here. This is my current phone. And then the S10 Plus I have here. Now, we are going to go ahead and, this is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, I've already pulled it out of the box because, like I said, I tried to record and I forgot to turn my mic on. So, we're going to do a comparison. As you can see, let's go ahead and turn y'all here. This is the S9 Plus. Let that focus for a second. And this is the S10 Plus. You can see they're pretty much about the same size. I believe the S10 Plus is just slightly wider, but as far as height and width, height and thinness, they're the same. The S9 camera, the S9 Plus camera is here for the front facing, and this one is here. Now, as far as the bottom and sides, they move the buttons around a little bit. But as far as the back goes, this is the 10. This is the 9. Both the pluses, that is. But you can see the difference here with the camera on the 9 Plus and the camera on the 10 Plus. So they completely switched that up. I don't see the finger scan anymore. So I think they got rid of that also. As far as buttons go, it's kind of hard to see on this, but let's see here. I'm going to flip it back over. Now, what comes in the box, see, is a charger. Let that focus for a second. Oh, I'll just pull it out. What comes in the box is a the fast charger. It's just white, so it's kind of hard to get a glare. Then you get transfer USB, where you can plug it up and transfer your old devices. Brand new all white headphones. No, these are not the wireless. There's actually a wire. And see here, looks like, and this I think is the charger cord. Yeah, and a charger cord. So that's what comes in it. It's nothing crazy, but it's just like the other one. This one also has just like the S9 Plus, it does have a memory card slot on top with the SD card section. So, as far as screen goes, I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm gonna mute that because that's English. Just English, please. Okay. It's talking to me in Spanish apparently, but yeah, as far as the screen goes, this is the difference. So, you've got this, you can see the size of the phone here. That camera is actually embedded in the screen now. So you have very little edge here. Very little edge. Now, in comparison to this one, where the edge is quite wider, and the camera is not embedded in that part. So you can see the big difference there. But for the most part, it's pretty cool. I like it. I haven't really gotten in depth with it yet. And okay, hold on. And it's talking to me still. So yeah, that happens. But yeah, I'm gonna do the transfer and everything separate from this. But I just wanted to show y'all the phone. Like I said, I got the blue one, which is pretty cool. I like the color. It's pretty sweet. I will let y'all know how it is in another video, but I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for kicking it with me, Slim Kickers, in the dojo. I'll leave you with this outro from my boy P. He does beats, so I will leave y'all with that. And y'all have an amazing day. Thank y'all.